I just finished my daily challenge with my friend. Now starting the Java interview question. So now it's part 4. Let's quickly getting started here because it's too late now. So what is a class loader? Maybe you don't know this question, but sometimes the interview will ask this question. So you also need to prepare. The class loader is part of JIE that dynamically load the Java classes into the JVM. Now, what's in different type of class loaders? So I also got asked by this question, so that's why I prepare this one. The Bootstrap class loader. Alone the code Java classes were from the Java.lang package. The extension class loader loads the classes from Java extension libraries. The third one is application class loader, load the classes from application class path. And also they will ask you like what is the order, which one come first, which one go second. So you just follow this order. Bootstrap class loader will be executed first, and then extension later. Finally, will application class loader. Sometimes people will say system class loader. System class loader is same as application class loader, and they are same thing. So don't mess up, and then now and don't be confused. Now, next question. Next question is different between path and the class path in Java. I remember I got asking this question one time, just only one. So it's low possible get asking. So it's up to you. You can prepare here or not. The path is environment variable, which is used to find a file like Java and Java C. The class path is a parameter which is used by a system class loader to locate and load the compiled Java bytecode stored in the class file. Okay, now here's the difference between the finally and the finalize. No matter you want to just graduate or you have experience, sometimes we recruiter know or you have no experience or you 2 years or 3 years. Before the start the technical round, the recruiter will ask you some basic Java question. They always like ask you like finally, also ask you method loading, method writing. So make sure you have some knowledge. If you don't have it, you will not get into the technical round. Now, quicker, the final. So final is keyword in Java and they used to indicate that a Java method variable. It can be class method and variable. You just remember this one, and then so class if class declare if method is declared with the final, so the final variable cannot be modified. A final method is cannot be overridden. Final class cannot be inherited. So you just remember this one. And then finally, is block, right? We know we have the try catch block. So finally, block is always get executed no matter what happens in the try block or catch block. We know try will catch the exception, right? And then the catch block will do some error message in there. It's no matter what happened there. So finally, block always got executed. Now finalize is a method in is to do like it do one thing, just call the garbage collector to remove unused object from the heap memory. So you should remember this one. But nowadays no one use the finalize. Yeah. But you need to answer this one because interviewer like ask you this one. The garbage collection means it's used to automatically release unnecessary data in memory. So here memory is in the heap memory. How does garbage collection work in Java? So definitely this question will be asked by senior. You are a senior or you are junior. You will be asking this question. So the garbage collection use a mark and switch algorithm to identify objects they are no longer used. And then garbage collection remove them and free up the heap memory. So it's an algorithm you how to garbage just use this algorithm to identify the objects. So actually no one asked me this question. I just like to prepare everything, make sure I can, even though they will not ask me, I still want to prepare. So it's up to you. So when we call the garbage collection, so when the JVM run out of heap memory and cannot collect any unused object, and then garbage collection is triggered. So we can call the system.gc to perform the garbage collection. So actually we have finalize, right? So but most time we use the system.gc method to perform the garbage collection. And then what are the memory leaks? I'm not sure do you hear this question. So memory leak is a situation where their object reference present in the heap. They are no longer used, but the garbage collector is unable to remove them from the memory. So some company will ask this question. Everything depends on the interviewer. So, and then here, so we need to know how to find the memory leak in your project, right? So here we have the Eclipse. Or maybe you are using a different IDE, right? IntelliJ. So different IDE provide a different way to that will help you to analyze memory dump and find memory leaks by identify objects they are holding on the memory unnecessarily. The second way we can use the heap dump. It also can be used to capturing the heap dump and analyzing them to see what objects are consuming the most memory and identifying the potential leaks. A second way. The third way, why cause the memory leak? Because you are using static in your project. So it's the main reason cause the memory leak. It's not only way, it's so many ways. But one way is you are using a static reference, and then garbage collector cannot remove the reference, which is still leak. So that's why if you don't use the static reference, static keyword in a project, so you don't need to maybe you don't need to worry about the memory leak. And then the last one is JConsole. It's actually so many ways you can do this one. Not only this 4-way. So if you are interested in this question, you can Google searching that. There are more detail and have some tutorial can teach you step by step and how to use these tools. Now, the question is types of garbage collector. So here's so many garbage collector: a serial garbage collector and a parallel garbage collector, and the concurrent max sweep garbage collector, and also the garbage garbage collector. Maybe you don't need to know this one because nobody asked me this question. So, but you can know aware of this one. So what happens if you try to close singleton object? In my previous videos I already mentioned I have talked about the singleton, right? Sometimes they will ask you some weird question if you try to close singleton object. So here's if there is live reference to the singleton object and then you try to close the singleton object, that's why they will throw an exception. So you need to mention the condition because you still have a live reference to the singleton object, right? Otherwise, if the singleton object become eligible for the garbage collection, the JVM can remove it, right? Now, thank you for watching this video for the part 4, right? Yeah, thank you.